Hey plant lovers and apartment dwellers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor plants, specifically for those of us working with a little less square footage. Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you have to miss out on the joy and beauty of having a green oasis. In fact, the right plants can make your space feel bigger, brighter, and so much more alive. We've curated a list of 10 perfect plants that are not only beautiful but also thrive in cozy environments. So, get your notebooks ready, because by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to turn your small space into a lush, green sanctuary. Let's get started. First up, the undisputed king of low-maintenance greenery, the snake plant, or Sansevieria. This plant is a superstar for so many reasons. Its striking upright leaves grow vertically, meaning it takes up very little floor space, making it perfect for tight corners. Snake plants are incredibly resilient. They tolerate low light, although they prefer bright, indirect light, and they're very forgiving if you forget to water them. In fact, they prefer to dry out completely between waterings. Plus, they're fantastic air purifiers, working overnight to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. For a stylish architectural touch that practically takes care of itself, you can't go wrong with a snake plant. Next on our list is the charming ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamiifolia. If you think you have a black thumb, the ZZ plant is here to prove you wrong. This is perhaps one of the hardiest houseplants you can find. It's known for its wide, dark green, glossy leaves that look so perfect, they're sometimes mistaken for plastic. The ZZ plant is extremely drought-tolerant, thanks to its rhizomatous roots that store water. It thrives on neglect and can handle very low light conditions, making it ideal for that dim corner in your apartment where nothing else seems to grow. Its compact growth habit means it won't overwhelm your space. It's the definition of set-it-and-forget-it greenery. Now let's talk about a classic trailer, the pothos, or Epipremnum aureum. Often called devil's ivy, this plant is a favorite for its beautiful heart-shaped leaves and its vining nature. This is where you can get creative in a small space. You can let its vines trail down from a high shelf, hang it in a basket from the ceiling, or even train it to climb up a wall. This verticality draws the eye upward, creating an illusion of height and space. Pothos is super easy to care for, thriving in a range of light conditions from low to bright indirect light, and it's quick to tell you when it needs water because its leaves will start to droop slightly. It's a fast grower, giving you that lush jungle vibe in no time. Number 4 is the elegant peace lily, or Spathiphyllum. If you're looking to add a touch of grace and a floral element to your apartment, the peace lily is a fantastic choice. It boasts beautiful, glossy, dark green leaves and produces stunning white blooms that look like flags of peace. They are excellent communicators. They'll dramatically droop when they're thirsty, but perk right back up after a good drink. Peace lilies prefer medium to low light and consistently moist soil. They are also on NASA's list of top air purifying plants, effectively removing toxins from the air. A peace lily brings both beauty and function to your small living space. Moving on to a personal favorite, the spider plant, or Chlorophytum comosum. This plant is just so cheerful and fun. With its arching, slender leaves and the little spiderets or baby plants that dangle from the mother plant, it adds a playful, dynamic element. Spider plants are perfect for hanging baskets or placing on a plant stand where their babies can cascade down freely. They are incredibly easy to care for, preferring bright, indirect light but adapting well to lower light levels. They like their soil to be kept evenly moist. Plus, those little plantlets are super easy to propagate, so you can share the plant love with friends or start a whole family of spider plants yourself. Let's bring in some color with number 6, the prayer plant, or Maranta leucanura. This plant is absolutely captivating. Its oval leaves have intricate, beautiful patterns, often with shades of green, red, and cream. But the real magic happens at night. The leaves fold up, as if in prayer, and then lower again in the morning. This movement is called nyctinasty, and it's fascinating to watch. Prayer plants stay relatively small and have a spreading, low-growing habit, making them perfect for tabletops or shelves. They prefer bright, indirect light and high humidity, so a spot in a well-lit bathroom or kitchen would be ideal. A little extra attention to humidity is well worth it for this stunning plant. Next up, we have the trendy and oh-so-cute string of pearls, or Senecio raulianus. This succulent is a showstopper for any small apartment. Its long, trailing stems are adorned with little green orbs that look just like a string of pearls, hence the name. It's an ideal hanging plant. Imagine it cascading down from a bookshelf or a windowsill. It's pure botanical art. As a succulent, it's drought-tolerant and needs plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. The key is to have well-draining soil and to be very careful not to overwater it. Let the soil dry out completely before giving it another drink. It's a unique plant that adds a touch of whimsy and modern style. For those who love a minimalist aesthetic, our 8th plant is the ponytail palm, or Boccarnia recurvata. Despite its name, it's not a true palm, but a member of the succulent family. It has a distinctive swollen trunk which stores water and a cascade of long, curly leaves that resemble a ponytail. This slow-growing plant is incredibly low maintenance and perfect for a bright spot in your apartment. Because it stores water in its trunk, it can go for long periods without watering. Its unique sculptural form makes it a living piece of art and a fantastic focal point that doesn't take up too much visual or physical space. Number 9 is the delightful Chinese money plant, or Pilea peperomioides. With its round, coin-shaped leaves that seem to float on delicate stems, this plant has a friendly and modern vibe. It's a compact plant that looks great on a desk, a side table, or a windowsill. Pilea plants are known for being easy to share, as they produce little offshoots or pups at their base that can be easily repotted. They love bright, indirect light, and it is a good idea to rotate the plant regularly to keep it from leaning towards the light source and to maintain its symmetrical shape. A happy Pilea is a wonderful symbol of friendship and prosperity in your home. Finally, at number 10, we have air plants, or Tillandsia. These are perhaps the ultimate space savers because they don't require any soil at all. You can tuck them into terrariums, mount them on driftwood, place them in special holders, or simply arrange them on a tray. The creative possibilities are endless. Air plants absorb water and nutrients through their leaves. To care for them, you just need to soak them in water for about 20-30 minutes every week or two, then let them dry completely upside down to prevent rot. They need bright, indirect light. Air plants are a fantastic way to add a touch of green to even the tiniest of spaces in a very unique and artistic way. And there you have it, 10 perfect plants to green up your small apartment. From the indestructible snake plant to the soil-free air plant, there's a green companion for every style and every level of plant parenting skill. Remember, plants do more than just decorate. They purify your air, boost your mood, and connect you with nature. Don't let a small space stop you from creating your own personal indoor jungle. Which of these plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-filled content. Thanks for watching and happy planting.